Hello traders, welcome to the midweek market update. Today, 18 September, Nifty ends today at 25,377 and Bank Nifty at 52,767. Before proceeding to study about the midweek market update, let me share a few important things. In previous weekend analysis, we discussed a lot about these things, and all these things has been happened today. As we discussed in our previous video, we are not using the Elliott wave to its full potential. See, the Elliott wave itself does not have any entry-exit strategies. Elliott wave is a study of market behavior. Okay, this is how the price will react at those certain points. So once we understand the Elliott waves, we can include our entry and exit strategies. On 12th September, I posted like this. So if I get a flat opening and move sideways and get support around 25,300 to 25,250, we can expect a resistance between 25,490 to 25,500. Three things: flat opening, yes, it made a flat opening and we discussed, and move sideways. I think today only the price moved up and down, but for the entire past 3 days, the price action was total sideways, and get support around 25,300 to 25,250. And during the sideways price action, the low made was 25,292, and we can expect a resistance between 25,490 to 25,500. See, this is what happened today, and I shared this information. Three things we expected on 12th: flat opening, yes, and support 25,300, low 25,292, resistance 25,490, and high was 25,482. If you understand the Elliott wave in a proper way, we can also identify all these things. And still 25,270 to 25,250 can be the support for these minor waves. See, for example, as of now, I am expecting the support may already reached, or one more low to 25,250 to 25,270, these levels. Okay, 25,270 to 25,250 levels. If it gets support here, we may expect the price to make all-time highs again to 25,500 plus. So once the price gets support here, we can anticipate some target, but as of now, we can expect 25,500 to 25,540 as we are expecting from the for the past 1 or 2 weeks. Fine. So this is the expectation on Nifty, but if you remember, we have another level of anticipation of 25,700. So we need to see whether this price moves here or moves here. Okay, we have another level of 2600 also, but we will see step by step. The price can reject from here or here itself. Okay, so let us see how the price reacts at those important zones. And also we need to see Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is the important index. I believe Bank Nifty will set up a trend for other indices like Nifty. Okay, so the expectation for the coming days is, if the price gets support here, we can expect the price to reach 25,500 plus. Okay, and in my opinion, all this can be wave 3. Okay, if it even stops here, we may expect like this. But if the price directly moves here, we can anticipate like this. Okay, so this is the approach now. So I believe all this can be wave 3. Okay, for that we need to see where the price stops. So for the next coming days, we need to see whether the price gets support in this zone or not. That is what important for this midweek update. If it gets support, the next expectation is 25,500. Then we can anticipate how the price moves and reacts at those important points. So this is the update on Nifty. And Bank Nifty, yes, see, here is a perfect example for understanding the wave personality. I always say to my learners that give importance to wave characters, right? See, this is a zone we expected in our previous weekend video. When the price was trading here, we anticipated the price to reach this zone 52,300, and the important zone is 52,400 to 500 zone, right? This is what I shared even today. In weekend analysis, we expected Bank Nifty to reach 52,450 to 52,500, and the price has been reached that zone. So we need to see how the price reacts here. For more upside, it needs to cross this level with speed, or else it can pose some resistance. Okay, this is the important thing, because the 52,450 to 52,500 is a very important zone. So the price will give some other clue that it may reject or it may go more. See the price reaction at this zone, how the price moves at this zone in speed manner. Okay, see, I said for more upside it needs to cross this level with speed. Okay, so we need to understand the wave first to get these levels. And I posted another thing today. Wave personality is important. For more upside, the price should cross with speed, and the price cross that levels with speed. Okay, as anticipated, the price has been crossing that level with speed manner. So possibly the price can extend, and even all-time high is possible. Okay, as I said in my previous video, I don't know whether it's an ABC or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but for a bullish assumption, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, as of now, the price takes the character of wave 3. So I'm going with the primary assumption of wave 3. This is the reason I am saying that Bank Nifty is important, because if Bank Nifty goes in wave 3, Nifty will not stop here. There is a possibility of reaching even 26,000 also. Okay, but anyway, we need to see how the price reacts. We will go step by step. Okay, so the basic understanding is that. So if the price reaches as per the expectation, it will become an all-time high. Okay, that's why I said it can reach even all-time highs possible. And if moves upside, the next important levels can be around 53,000 and 53,250. Actually, I expected 52,950 to 53,000. See these two lines, but so much numbers will be in the post. So that's why I make it round off to 53,000. But today's high was 52,950 exactly. See the line? Okay. So the price stops at the initial expectation level only. So now the price can reach here. Okay. Again to the 53,000 and may come back and may move upside. This is one possibility, or the price may move to this zone of 52 to 50, the same level which I mentioned here. 53 to 50. If moves upside, next important levels can be 53,000 and 53,250. These are the possibilities now. The price may turn from 53,000 itself, okay, first option, and a pullback, and may move higher. If this happens, it's going to be definitely a wave 3 and a wave 4 consolidation and a wave 5. Okay, this is my expectation. For this, the price needs to move like this, a pullback and one more high. Where the pullback may be expected, maybe 53,000 or 53,250. This is the expectation now. So based on that rejection, we may expect some pullback, maybe around 52,500. Again pullback and make one more high. So this is the possibility in Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I will show one example for understanding Elliott Wave in a better way. Angel 1, see when the price was trading around 38.2%. See, usually it's a wave 3 character and we expect a sideways, and the price is stopping at the 38.2%. Usually the wave 4 stops at 38.2%. Yes, agree. And you can see the sideways price action also on multiple supports at 38.2%. Even though I expected one more low to 50% or even lower. This is the expectation. Why? There are certain conditions. Because the waves should be used in a proper way. Why I expected discount? So what has happened after that? See, after that the price has gave a one more low, right? Even below this 50%. Why I countered like this? There is a reason for it. See, in my course, I will say each and every level with reason, proper reason for taking entries, for exiting, for analysis purpose, everything there will be a reason for it. Okay, you will understand the Elliott wave in much different manner. And this is what I'm going to share to the learners in a new video. Why I expected discount And what is the significance of a triangle? See, in normal classical technical analysis, if triangle comes, we will trade breakouts and the pattern breadth is calculated as a target. That's the classical analysis. But in Elliott waves, as I said always, Elliott wave is a forward-looking analysis. With the help of triangle, we can expect future price actions also, not only the breakout or breakdown. Okay, the next price action also can be identified with the help of triangle, and all these are explained in my course with multiple examples, and even I'm going to explain this analysis, why I choose this preferred count and what is the significance of triangle, and all this information will be posted as a new value added video for my course learners. If you're interested in learning the Elliott wave in 100% practical way and in proper way to use its full potential, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. If you already know the Elliott wave but still facing the real-time analysis issues, my course will definitely helpful to you, because the course is 100% practical. There is no theory, and everything are based on the examples. And one more thing I can guarantee, that this will be the final course for your Elliott wave, and you need not to register for any Elliott wave future courses. So in that manner only I prepare the course, so you will become an expert in the Elliott wave. So if you wish, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. This is the midweek market update, and none of the things explained here, like levels mentioned in Nifty, Banknifty, are only to explain the Elliott wave and not any recommendations. If you like my work, and if you wish to get the market updates twice a week, and if you wish to learn the Elliott wave in 100% practical way, you can subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, families, and fellow traders. So thank you so much. Trade safe. We'll meet you in the weekend market update. Thank you. Take care.